What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw a large circle for the nose. We're going to start from the very top. We go all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now along the bottom on either side we're going to draw two small ovals for the nostrils going up and then down. And we'll fill the inside of the nostrils in black. Let's go to the top of the nose. We're going to add a couple folds. Starting on the left, we're going to go up and then bend that down. And then we're going to leave a small gap and draw a shorter fold. Now I want to line up the eyes along the bottom of the nose. So we're going to move over towards the left side. Start with the curve going up, go all the way around, and then pull that in towards a point. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting down here, we're going to go up, around the eye, and then pull that in. Let's go to the top of each eye, draw a small circle for highlight. And we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's go back underneath the left eye, step down and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to go up towards the nose and then bend that down. I'm just going to bend the mouth, going up towards the sides. And then on the ends, we're going to add a small bracket. Let's connect the nose to the mouth in the center with a straight line. Now we're going to open up the mouth, starting from the corner on the left, and come down, go across, and then bend that up. Now, leaving a gap in the center, let's add two small teeth on either side, like a V, coming down and up. And then we'll leave a gap and draw two larger teeth coming down. Let's do the same thing across the bottom, leaving a small gap, add one small tooth on either side, move over and then add a larger tooth. Let's add the tongue in between the teeth. We're going to start on the left side, we're going to bend this up. Let's add a fold coming down towards the right, step up to create a fold, going up and then back down. Now let's go back and add that fold across the eyes. We're going to start from the side of the nose, we're going to bend this up, go around the eye, and then come down along the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, going up and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to round out the head, coming around the mouth, and then pull that in. Go to the right side and do the same thing, going around the mouth and then in. And we're just going to close out the bottom with that curve. Let's go back to the corners of the mouth. We're going to add a fold, coming down and then in towards the bottom of the head. Let's continue to add that patch around the eyes. We're going to start from the side of the head, come down in between the eye and the mouth, pull that in, and then here we're going to add a point, pulling this up towards the side of the nose. Let's do the same thing on the right, coming down, go around the eye, and then in between the mouth, and then up towards the side. Now going back up to the top of this curve, we're just going to add some thickness to the brow. We're going to go up and then down on the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Let's add a thick fold. Starting from the side of the head, we're going to go up higher, bend that down to add a fold. And then we'll close off the top of the head with a curve, starting on top of the left brow, bend this up and in towards the middle. And we're going to add some hair. We're going to go out and up, come down and in. Let's add another one going out. Bend this out towards the right, and then down. Now I'm going to continue this curve, going across and then down on top of the right brow. Now with the head complete, let's add in those large ears. We're going to start from the side of the head, start with the curve going out and then up. I'm just going to bend this out towards the top of the ear. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing. Start by going out and up, bend that out towards the end. Let's go back over towards the left side, round out the ear. I'm just going to pull this down to right about there. Now I'm going to add a notch. Bend this in and down, bend this back out. Now I want to make our way back in towards the side of the head. So we're going to come down and then bend that in. Now I want to do the same thing on the right side. We're going to bring that notch down a little bit lower. So round out the ear, pull this down to right about there. Let's add that notch. Bend this in, then out, and curve this in towards the side of the head. From the inside edge of the ear, we're going to draw the top fold. Come down and in, and then bend that down towards the side of the head. And we'll add that fold across the bottom. Let's start from this curve, come down lower, and then in. Now I want to give this character some antennas. So let's start over on the left side, bend this up, and then out towards the top. And then we'll line this up on the right, going up and then out towards the same height. Just going to round up the antenna, and then bend that in. And we'll follow this curve back on top of the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Stitch from Lilo and Stitch. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.